Are you tired of cluttered kitchen cabinets filled with various cooking tools and appliances? Say hello to the Ninja MC1000 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro, your go-to solution for simplifying meal prep and expanding your culinary possibilities. With its versatile 6-in-1 functionality, this multi-cooker replaces 10 cooking tools and appliances, offering a seamless transition from cooker to oven to table. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Versatile 6-in-1 cooking functionality. The Ninja MC1000 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro is more than just a multi-cooker. It's a culinary powerhouse that can do it all. With 6 cooking functions including slow cook, sear sauté, bake, braise, keep warm, and steam, you'll have endless options for creating delicious meals with ease. Triple fusion heat technology for faster cooking. Say goodbye to long hours spent in the kitchen, thanks to the Ninja MC1000 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro's triple fusion heat technology. By combining bottom, side, and steam heating elements, this innovative cooker cooks up to 30% faster than conventional ovens. Whether you're cooking a hearty stew or baking a homemade pie, you'll enjoy faster cooking times and consistent results every time. Oven-safe and easy cleanup. The Ninja MC1000 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro features a removable cooking pot that is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to finish your meals in the oven for a crispy top or to keep them warm until serving. Plus, the non-stick pot enables you to quickly wipe away messes and makes for a stress-free cleaning experience, so you can spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Perfect for everyday cooking. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or hosting a dinner party with friends, the Ninja MC1000 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro is perfect for all your culinary adventures. Its generous 8.5 quart capacity allows you to cook large batches of your favorite recipes, while its sleek design and intuitive controls make it easy to use for cooks of all skill levels. Included accessories for added convenience. The Ninja MC1000 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro comes with everything you need to get started, including a glass lid and integrated spoon. Plus, its non-stick pot enables you to quickly wipe away messes and makes for a stress-free cleaning experience. In conclusion, the Ninja MC1000 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro is a game-changer for home cooks who want to simplify their kitchen routine and expand their culinary possibilities. With its versatile cooking functionality, faster cooking times, oven-safe design, and easy cleanup, this multi-cooker is sure to become your new favorite kitchen companion. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.